Yo, what up everyone? Matthew Ellis, or Ellis Incorporated here. Bear. There's our fourth dog, Bear. Hold on. It's kind of hard to get him. But this is Bear. Right there, he's half Rottweiler, half Chow, half Shih Tzu. Because if you see my other two videos, Mom and Dad, or Gizmo and Minnie, he just wants to have fun and play. He's not used to coming up here. Bear. We're gonna let him walk around.
They didn't want it?
Yeah. They got new ones.
Are you leaving it at your mom?
How did they bring it up here?
Oh.
We don't need it down there.
Oh, sometimes when you come up, it's
Everyone finds the chickens up here, everyone. Bear. Bear, stop it. Sorry guys. We gotta get Bear away from them. Get going. Henry, kick them all the way.
Where?
Get moving. No more. Sorry everyone, Bear is not used to chickens. My chickens are not used to dogs because I've had some chickens die because of dogs. Bear. He looks like he wants to get in the car, don't you? Want to get in the car? You get in the car! Look at how cute he is. What up, Bear? Bear. What? Yeah, alright. So, if you guys like Bear, and you would like to see him some more on camera, he will be on camera. Look how cute he is. He's a little shy right now up here in the country. We gotta get Mom, Dad, and Uncle Buddy up here, and he can run around and play and have a fun time. Have a great time and be happy. But if you guys like these videos, Bear's a little shy. He hasn't been out of the house like in a car ride a lot. He doesn't get. We take him outside, but we're in town, and this is like the farthest he's been out of like a town. This is like country for him. Bear. Can you give me a high five? High five, yeah, see. Wait, hold on, let me zoom out. High five again. Show the camera, high five. Yeah, there's my dog. Technically, Bear's original name was supposed to be Chewbacca. Because look at how cute he is. He looks like a Chewbacca, doesn't he? Go on, Bear. And if you guys like him, like, share, subscribe to my channel.
Hi, puppy.
Matthew Ellis, or Ellis Incorporated.
If you were a rabbit or something, I might. But no, I don't like dogs.
Come here, Bear.
Bravo. Thank you.
So thank you guys for watching my videos. Subscribing to my channel.
I didn't do nothing. All
Oh,
I did
no.
was sit here.
Come here, Bear.
Did you get my happy birthday?
Thank you.
You want to go inside, Bear
I
Bear?
didn't know if you did or
Bear Bear.
Yeah.
This is my grandma's house, Bear Bear. But if you guys like these videos of the dogs outside running around and having playtime, subscribe to my channel and I'll let my dogs run freely more, all of them at the same time, and you can see them all at once, or I'll just film them at home. So thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Please subscribe more to my channel. Follow me. Like, share, subscribe. Peace out. Alright, let's go, Bear. Out the door. And everyone have a great day. Bear Bear. And his nickname's Chewbacca to some of us. So thank you guys.